Hello, hello, hello. Day 7, Monday morning. Groggy as hell. 9:49. I sat down, I looked, I made one trade, and then I dipped around, ate some food. I slept in a little bit today, so let's all just sit here quietly and enjoy the market, shall we? So I hopped in here. So I see these a lot where it's lower low, higher high, and it just gets to the point where it's got to break, and once it breaks, I jumped on this. I ran it down a little bit more. 175 is a big... Now why the hell is this going off now? $9.50. Oh. So my alarm was set for 9:50. That's why I slept in. Huh. So yeah, so I grabbed that. I pushed it a little bit more than normal. Looks like I could have pushed it a lot more than normal. Woo! So let's see, what's this? Hold on here. No, seeing that wrong. So sold that 05. What the hell? 75. Went to 66. So maybe here 75, 30 times 4 is 120 times 5, 600. So this could have been 600 more. One day I'm going to start really aiming for those, but for now. I didn't make cappuccino. I should have done that. Fed the cat, so maybe he won't interrupt us today, which is kind of cute. I don't mind when he does. So I don't know if anybody watched Fridays, but Friday, for the last half hour, I traded exclusively using the Superdome. And I was just watching. I called them, these are battles, and then something's going to happen. It's going to be an accordion or a push. Accordion. And then it just pushes down. It's like an accordion. Battles, not really moving. And a little accordion push. Oh, that was an accordion. Just waving up and down. And I was watching this, and I would see stuff, and I would just get in. And then I rewatched it, and I even saw a couple more times to get in. But that was on Friday, and now it's Monday, and I'm tired. Sometimes I'd watch for little things like, see, look, it's all single contracts. I think that can get kind of pushed out again. So I kind of view the ebb and flow as an accordion. You're just like, yeah, it pushes down, whatever's 10, 8, 12 ticks, and it pushes up, and then it pushes back. That's an accordion. But when something like this happens, and it just pushes, that I call that pushing. It just keeps on pushing. This is more in the accordion phase, where it's just, it rides up, it rides down. You time this right, and you get those accordion pushes, and that's enough. Let's take a look at this again. Instead of just me talking about it, let's take a look at Friday, shall we? So this was Friday. It was 2 and 4, or 2 and 5 to start the day. And then that happened. happen. So here's 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4. And then we hit 3 in a row. And went, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and 4. 12 and 4 trading off the Dom. We won $530. Nothing wrong with that. We packed it in. Yeah, I lost these two here. Push this one a little bit, maybe. So we're going off. Oh, yeah. One day I'll learn these buttons. One day I'll learn these buttons. And I started doing 2 contracts, and then that's how we turned that day around. And I went to see my family a couple hours away over the weekend, so I didn't make it to Best Buy. I didn't get a new monitor. I need adapters. Ideally, I'd like 4 monitors, but I'm still kind of waiting to see if I'm actually good at this or if I'm just lucky. I'm not too sure yet. So I'm on, this is day 7 of my evaluation at trade day. We're up to 27.17. Got to get to 105. We got some other rules to follow, and we got to do it before we lose $3,000. So we're on the short side of that goal now. I need 2,300, no more. So I'm trying to debate if I can never wake up, shake these cobwebs out. So I start trading off this super Dom again. Ideally, I'd like a big monitor here, vertically placed, so I can see all these numbers. Because there's numbers hidden, right? You can't see past them there. You can't see them all at once. So I think it would be helpful to see them all at once. And then I'm thinking, like, was that crazy just trying to trade off this? So I gotta pay attention to this too? Well, if you're looking at this, you can't see this. You can only see one thing at a time. Yeah, let's try it, shall we? Let's see if we can. So I went. Oh, that's why that trade. I slid that thing down. When I made this trade, I was on 30.20, so that's only 30 ticks. I know we can do more, so. And you make the bet, you see it, your stop losses are all they were in the real spot. I pulled it down, it didn't seem right, so I didn't let it run as much. Anyways, we're going to do shorter windows when we trade this way because, yeah, to me it seems a little bit more risky. Alright, let's see if we can find one here. Get back in the groove. So if I can just trade off this, I don't think that would be luck. I think this would be skill. Just watching this, making trades, feeling the flow, finding the groove. I'm not gonna lie, right now, I don't see anything. There's numbers on a screen. Oh, pushing. That was a pushing. Battling. Sometimes I would set them way up here and let them accordion up. I'm just reminding myself what I was doing. And then sometimes I'd set them too high and they wouldn't get there. Rarely did I just pay market price because that's not the exercise. The exercise is time the pushes, time the accordions. Look how thin that was. So I think this should go down right now. Let's see. Yeah, that would work. Yeah, look how See, those are both thins. All thins. Look at these thins. That's really thin. Look at this. Whoa. Ooh. Oh, this is really low. Okay, so the institutional money, they're not playing right now. It's just the retailers out there now. It's gotta be. This is really low. Either that or something big's about to happen. I feel like there's more contracts open at the middle of the night. This is the lowest I've ever seen.
Order filled.
I shorted that because the last time that happened, that thing went down like 500 points. See, it was all thinning out. There's like gaps in it. Oh, maybe I got a little too. Oh shit! Maybe I got too greedy there. Yeah, I did.
Stop filled.
So that wasn't pushing a thing. That was just the way it was all so cleared out there. That's too bad. Because I could have had a lot. So I bought 76. Okay, never mind. That's not even fully. That's close. It would have got matched here if I didn't move it. Alright. So these are back up again. Those are in the low hundreds there, right? Like 120s, 140s. I believe this is how many contracts are available at each side. That's how I read that. Oh, that was greedy. I started moving stop losses too much, I think. And profit margins too. Seems like I'm moving it every time. Some are just fine, just to take your wins. Let's see, so I sold one at 76. Yeah, that would have been that might not have actually got matched. I need 7.5 points, so maybe, I don't know. Moving tight. Alright, let's find the group here. Let's find the group. Feel the flow. What are we looking at? What do we see? So this is 7.5 point wins, 5 point losses. Taking too long. Taking too long. These usually happen pretty quick. Yeah, look at that now. Almost 4. Yeah, I want to watch the tape of that. Last time I saw that, it was low hundreds of contracts. It was kind of spaced out like that. It dropped like 200 points in 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So that's why I kept on moving it down there. It's kind of a blocker. Let's see. Oh yeah. And then I don't. Sometimes I don't even wait for this full one on this type of trading because it's just all about catching the swings. Less talking, more. Come on, find it. Find it. Feel it. Feel the flow. Go your happy place. What's that? 1, 2. What's that one? No, I only hit that about 3 spots away too.
Order filled.
So we're losing 100. Winning 150. And then, nah, this was wrong. That was a bad one.
Stop filled.
No, I'm forcing it. That was like an accordion push. That was the accordion push I was talking about. Where it pushes, then it comes back. Pushes, comes back. These are just battles here. Battles, battles, battles. So I kind of lost perspective there because I was sliding up to catch it, and I had to slide 2 or 3 times. So that it just doesn't look the way it's supposed to look when you're sliding and it's going up at the same time. You're not seeing the pushes or the accordions. It's just looks like it's getting, yeah. This is, yeah, I need a bigger screen for sure. Well, there you go. I wasn't looking at this. Here's me trying to scroll up and then scroll back down. It's kind of a big move. 0.2 up to, yeah, 14 points. That didn't feel like 14 points moving the way we were watching it. Yeah, I need a bigger monitor for this. Yeah, we pissed away our wins. Oh, that's fine. We weren't up enough to leave anyways, so I was not gonna cry about losing a couple bets. Yeah, this is just not seeing this today right now. It's just, well, that was a lot of contracts. Couldn't see the number. Might have been 3 figures. Oh, there it is again. 50s. If I see one more piled in there in the 50s, I'm going to short this number just for that reason alone. There was 57. Different number though. 57's left. That's 250 plus a point. 285. There's some 40s. Some big numbers coming out on the side. I guess I don't watch this like this intently most times, so.
Order filled.
Yeah, see, that wasn't. Yeah, that wasn't what I'm looking for. Win or lose, that wasn't. This moves up to 105. Probably gonna lose this one too.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I didn't see anything there. I just saw low contracts. And, yeah. Alright, come on. You can't go 11-4 on luck. Or maybe you can. But I really felt like I was seeing stuff when I was watching this on Friday and trading, and then watching it after. Like, what I was doing made sense to me.
Order filled.
Based on the thinness of the contracts there. Yeah, we're up at the top here. Yeah, no, I don't know if I like this. I think I need to try this again. Maybe, yeah, wait till a different time of day. It's still kind of early in the day here. Monday morning, early rush. Yeah, I don't like. That's not a good time to buy up here.
Stop filled.
Now we're... Alright, let's get off that. Let's go back to this. Now I'm lost. I haven't been watching this. I've been watching this. I want to do this. I've got to do this. I'm confused on what to do. We're down 225-ish. Just scroll down here so I can see it. Yeah, 228. Let's try to get that. There's that. Right, let's reset here. Let's do a little rundown. I like doing this, showing everybody what I'm up to. I'm a pretty transparent guy with this stuff. Alright, so day one of my trial started here. Went 36 and 32, made 500 bucks. Good day. I was really happy with that. That was day one. I was nervous. This was a holiday, so this was a complete and utter waste of time. I've gone through this so many times now. I got my 11 and 4, but taking 60, losing 116, made 116 bucks. This was a waste of 2 hours of my life, as far as I'm concerned. It was like trading at 3 in the morning. So dead. Now this, whoo, this is my glory day. Look at that. 18 and 5, but some of these are double counted. We've been through this. You know, this is 2 contracts split into 2 separate wins, but it was technically 1 win, so maybe I was like 14 and 5, up 1,200. Whew. That's the kind of day you strive for every day. I get used to that. Wednesday, oh man, I was nervous Wednesday. I cut my contracts by 70%, played the micro exclusively, and won $10. That was a grind. It was worth it. Sometimes not losing is winning. And Thursday, losing record, but won the money, so definitely that's a head in the right direction. And then Friday, we saw Friday, I think, up 530. So technically I haven't lost in 6 days. So let's keep this one going, right? A little bit clear out there. What are we doing? The DOM or the charts? 1 and 4. We were 1 and 0. And realistically, I don't think I really liked any of those trades within seconds of making them. I'm watching this one, by the way. Just let me watch this. I'm feeling the accordions now.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Wow. I'm not feeling anything, am I'm doing one more. I'm just waiting. Yeah, I'm just not feeling this at all today. Maybe different days have different feels. This is like my, I did two-week trials that I cut a little short, and then I've done 6 days of this, so I'm like 25-ish days of trading. So I'm still pretty green in the process. I'm just not feeling this at all. This is a lot. Yeah. See, I would have wanted to bet against that because that was all 10s and 20s, and I don't know. That's not a good enough reason either to want to bet. Oh, these contracts were 10s and 20s. So. Lots of contracts to get through 10s. They get through 50s and 100s, so 10s isn't hard. Not the same guy. Who knows? negotiating. Sorry. I just want to try this one more time. If I fail one more time, I'll mail the strategy in for today and go back to the drawing board. But I want to try one more, so just trying to be patient. Wait to see what I need to see. Well, the problem is, I don't know what I'm waiting to see. Oh, there's a big 62er in there. I saw 72 on Friday and I just did it because they did it. I think I won $100 on that trade. I didn't care, just ate that like nothing. Oh yeah, it's just going up, that's why. Maybe there's not a lot of, it's just pushing, it's just been going up. Well, I guess this was a down. I don't know. Just not seeing it. We're gonna force it though. We're gonna wait. We're not gonna force it. We're gonna wait patiently until I see something that I'm waiting to see. Whatever that is, we're still not sure yet. I'm gonna push this button, and if it wins, I'm gonna try it again. All the other ones were kind of forced, and they didn't really have good. And one was like, "Oh, there's a lot of tens. There's tens. I'm gonna bet that." Yeah, that's not smart. Yeah, this just isn't. It's not just. There's no ebb and flow. Where's the ebb and flow? Man, this thing just acts differently some days. I guess they can't make it like this, I talk about institutional money, and well, they can't have it the same way every day because then people would figure it out. So they just got to have different ebbs and flows. Some days seem to be opposite days where things you do the other day seem to work, and then opposite days it just doesn't. This just feels like a different flow to me than it did Friday. Or maybe I was just in the zone. I don't know. I want to watch that film again. It'll be day 6. Well, I did film the other days, but one day I didn't have sound on, and the other day I had the wrong screen on. So the day I won $1,200 isn't on YouTube, and I'm just like, I really wanted to watch that film, and that was the day I recorded the wrong screen. So, yeah, couldn't rewatch that one. And we were 1-0, so we're 0-5. So I guess if you 11-4 and 0-5, then you're 11-9, and it can be luck to go 11-9, obviously. Now, if I was 180 and 120 after days or weeks of this, then I would think skill. Maybe Friday was lucky, and today's just paying back Friday's luck. You can go 11-2 on heads, and then you're gonna go 1-5 on tails. When you're lucky and you're not playing anything with that. edge. Yeah, this is. This is. Yeah, so what do we do? Let's just look at what we were doing. Alright, so we lost. So we went short here. And this could already been formed. And then we went, so we lost. So we went short here. Oh, what did we do here? We went short here. Yeah, so we're short. Whatever. I guess we went short here. Seems to be short, seems to be the. And then we went, I feel like this was the long. Yeah, we went long here. Yeah, this one may be a little, maybe these two are not in the best area. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that juicy dog there. Ooh. I just want to buy that because he did it. Yeah, let's do it.
Order filled.
What are we going for? 150. Losing 100. Yeah, these are tight stop losses. These are too tight, too tight, too tight. Come on. Do I move this away? Tempted to. This is only 20 ticks, right? Alright, get this up here and then I'll move it back there. Come on, give me a lead. And
Stop filled. Oh, and 6 since they're in one now. Man, every day I feel like let's check this one more time, shall we? Every day feels like I'm battling from behind. Yeah, here you go. Minus 400. Then you got up to here. I'm not gonna let the holiday was a waste. Nah, but this was the day I was up $1,200, so I can't see being down that much. Well, it was. Look, down 400. So that's 0-2 on starts. This day. Well, you got up a little bit. Man, this is kind of this was the grindy day. Oh, that was the $10 day. Yeah, this was the day I played on the micro that day because I wasn't feeling it, so I played on the micro. So that was by design a low risk day. Oh fuck! Look at this. Down 800. Holy Christ. Oh, that's a good fighting back, though. Actually, it was 956 because we were looking at the one without the fees on the other two. Wow. And I'm pretty sure I was down on this day, too. Yeah. Down 200. Start the day. So, essentially, every day, I dig myself into a hole, and then I gotta fight out of it. And one of these days I'm not gonna fight out of it. You can't win every fucking day, for fuck's sakes. Alright, let's fucking draw some lines and make a fucking story. Let's see if we can make a story that makes sense. You know what? If I could get back to even right now, I just feel like I just don't want to be here today right now. These are too steep to me. But they're kind of good distance. You can short this line or go long on this line. Fuck me. If I put this back onto no, I'll do this one instead. Yeah, without that third point, this is one of those ones that I've been doing this long enough to know what seems to happen. Is this comes up and then it like pushes up to here, and it's like, okay, well if I drew the line to there, then it would have made sense. Let's put it to there as a little insurance. Just give me the plus $10 and I'll walk away today. Unless I'm feeling it by then, but right now I'm not feeling this at all. So one thing to think about when you're gambling, and any type of gambling, is you can't have your losing days should be ideally lower than your winning days. So I had two $500 wins and one $1,200 win. So throw the $1,200 out. It seems like $500 is a decent win for me in a day. So that means if I shouldn't be trying to lose much more than $400 or $500 in a day. I'm already almost down $5. I lose like 8 today, that's gonna fucking suck. You gonna short this line? Line? I don't know. Do you just want to guess if you want to go short or long? No. My new thing is ask myself questions and then answer them, because I seem not to lie to myself. Shit. I slept in, I woke up, I was up $200. I should have just gone back to bed and said, you know what? I'm going back to bed. I didn't really think that, to be honest with you, so can't blame myself for that one. NQ. NQ. Alright, everything's all where it needs to be. So this is having a hard time getting up to here now. That's in the middle. You don't want to be in the middle. Alright, we're gonna be matched. Alright, let's go. I canceled it because, like, I just, to me, I thought this was gonna go shorter just because, I gotta kind of get up here. I just figured I'd go back to down here. But in the next breath, I canceled it because I don't want to trade in the middle of these fucking lines. It seems like you're in dead man's land, and I don't know. So that's why I canceled that one, because I didn't want to be in the middle. Even after seeing this, which kind of led me to think, it's probably going to go back to the line next. But that doesn't have to happen, I guess. And if it does go to the line, it'll be like, oh, what did you get out? Well, I just gave the answer. I forget what number I tried to do there. I think I got one more bet in me regardless. I need a win. So Holiday Monday was a holiday, but it was a grind, man. It was awful. And now this Monday just kind of feels awful too. Oh, maybe my strategy sucked. They probably did. You shorten this line. Ah, fuck. I don't give me the fucking line.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Look at this fucking... Yeah, well, look, now what? Worked to death. One more bet. 1 and 7. goes. Man, my bets have not, like... Here's one. Let's go look at this. Ready? I haven't survived a minute. 2 seconds. Those ones are painful. Well, we're only losing hundreds, so it is what it is. But we're on the nice side of that. Oh, let's keep track of that. No, I'm not losing 3 grand today, so wow, I haven't survived a minute. Oh, now you're going up. Of course you are. You just needed to plunge because they like to plunge. But if I had it here, I think I had a reasonable entry. Just had to plunge in it. It went right down to my point too. Oh man. I don't like to lose more than 175, so, or 150. But if I would have pulled that out a little bit, which I don't normally do on the losses, I pull it out on the wins. Eight, 28, 29, 19. Yeah, that's enough. That's 8 3/4 points. So I like these touches without bodies through, going through wicks. I don't mind that. So now what? Coming up to here. Oh, remember I wanted to short that and I didn't because I didn't want to be in the middle. And then I shorted that and I didn't. Whatever. Not my day. It's probably because the kitty we already fed the kitty, so he's not coming to meow at me today. Give me luck. Look at that. That's big. So the one thing I'll say when I was trying to trade off the Dom that I didn't do well was set up 10 or 20, 10 ticks away. I was just like, if it was here, I'd buy there. If it was there, I'd buy there.
Order filled.
We're gonna wait for a fully. Man, I just need a win. I like 155 because that leaves me 5 for the trade, and it gives me 150 profits. Tell you what, if I get this win, I might be rejuvenated a little bit, feel better about myself, and if I lose this, oh, we might have to pack it in. Below the line. Flip green. Did I just buy that because I saw 130? Did I see anything else? No, not really. I just... Come on. Flip green. Let's see where this next candle goes. 3, 2, 1. Green. Green. There we go.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. 2 and 7. Not quite a fully, but I'm not going to complain about 20 bucks for the where I was, and that 150 is more than we've been losing on our losing bets. 2 and 5. Now what? So we'll thank the 130 contract guy. Oh, we got that. Man, there's a little peak of green coming off above that triangle, so it might have gone up a couple more points, but not many. Not many. We got pretty lucky on that one. Now, the way this is going, I don't trust this line anymore. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is a new candle. I got a feeling this line's going to fail right now. So I want to go short, and I just don't know where I want to go short. I'm tempted to go short right now. It's the top of this.
Order filled.
We were winning. I like 155. Yeah, but what did I just say? I think this line's going to fail. And if that line's failing, it's not failing like a little bit. It's failing down to at least there, if not there. Let's see if this line... Or... Oh, this is tricky right now. I want to see it fail soon. Alright, let's just come down to it. You gotta come down to it before you can fail. I don't know. Where are we? What's that equal me? Oh shit, I'm way... I moved it up. I'm way down here. You don't need to be that fucking greedy, right? It's nice to be greedy, but this could turn on us. We need wins right now. Yep. Yep. Come on. Yep. Yep. Let's go. Here we go. 320. It's probably a little much. Should we just take our fully? Fuck, see, this is where it's like, I should just take the fully. I want the big one. That was a fully and we gave up on it. Because we're fucking greedy. You know what? Just give me the fully. We'll buy back again. I didn't get there.
Order filled.
Alright.
Order filled.
185. Now, if you really trust it, here, do another one here. It's about what I just paid, right?
Order filled.
So I sold at 28. Oh, I don't like that now. $29. We sold at 28. So we bought a little bit higher than we sold at. Now this line might be, I don't know, maybe I don't have it right. Let's come down here. Let's get another fully. Let's get another fully. Come on. We moving this up? Yeah, we're fucking just need wins.
Order filled.
100 bucks. I like 105. Just for the record, you're not supposed to do that. But, in my own defense, we did have some $100 wins. So equaling off $100 losses. So $100 wins aren't Aren't the worst, right? At least it's a 1-to-1. It's when you skew that and you're winning hundreds and losing 200s that it gets difficult. And that went down a couple more points, but hell, it might go up here. I think this line's probably dead. I don't even know if it was that good. Grinding. 3 wins in a row. So you shorted up here twice. You want to short up here again? Maybe. Yeah, well, we got some here, you get some here. This is a little bit more time. This is faster time, so I think faster time makes me not want to as much. So we're down about 200 with the fees there. I like seeing this because I want to see my record now. We know the fees. It's $5 times this, so 50, 55. I think it said 196. So I'm not gonna lie. When I was trading 2 contracts on that, I was thinking over the weekend. I was like, I could do 3 on this. 5 for 80 is like it's like 4 points. I would take 80 on this when I was doing just trade 1 contract. If I saw 70, 80 bucks, I'm like, that's fast. It was fast. 5-10 seconds. I take it. We went up to 2 contracts. I hit a couple 120s. I hit some 240s. Singular. I hit a 240. Maybe a couple 220s. Or 120s. Sorry. Alright, yeah, this is... Yeah, this line... let's get this fuck out of here. And, yeah. Just go away. Next thing you know, it's going to come down here on a 0-point line. Be like, I drew a 0-point line. It's very statistically significant to have lines with 0 or 1 touches. That's the stuff that smart traders draw. I drew a line off 1 touch. You're a genius. What am I looking for in here? I don't know. It was is that a little gap up there? See, the gap ups are pretty rare on the 1-minute charts. Oh, that's a gap up. Oh, I got a feeling it's gonna make it to here, guaranteed. Get to the top of here. Alright, then you got this. Holding those back. Yeah, I don't know. I'm watching stuff about supply zones, liquidity zones. That stuff's way over my head. I don't get it. It just doesn't really make sense to me. So was this a liquidity zone or a supply zone up here? Oh, no clue. And then it's like, oh, draw it off here. Here's a fucking supply zone. There is supply everywhere. There's supply here, here, here. So what? Is there more supply in here? I don't know. That doesn't make sense to me. Oh, there's this guy, this dog again, eh? You got me thinking. I don't know if that last one got matched. But assuming it did, I think it was around 29 if I remember correctly, but I might just be making up something. Yeah, no, didn't we copy that one? Yeah, it was right around here. It might have been, and we went above it, so it might have been 29. Where is it now? 26.
So I got a feeling this isn't retail investors, but that's just my intuition. That's just my feeling. Don't mind me. So what did we? Let me just. I just want to go back to here. See this? I like this. I like that. Because I sold right here because it broke out. Before I turned on the stream, I was half asleep. Yeah, that was a good one. And then this one. I started doing it again. That's only a couple points. I don't know if you're going to draw this as this candle's forming. So a little, we might be stretching. But the moral of the story is when I see these, just the way these go, like just like this, not a long time, 10 minutes, 20, 15, whatever this is, not a lot. Once it gets to here, it's got to go. It's got to break out because it's narrowing to a point, right? Lower lows, higher highs, at some point at the middle, and then it's going to go. And once it goes, it runs. And I nailed that. I was kind of happy with that. And I moved it down a little bit, but I could move down a lot more. So this one is higher highs hitting this peak. And then it just broke down again. I don't know. Alright, did we miss anything there? This is kind of a nice little 3 wins here. 1, 2, 3, all just riding that. Huh. Not the worst. Getting us back to feeling good about ourselves. I'm not going to cry about 200 losses, I'll tell you that much. As far as I'm concerned, winning or losing 100 or 2 in a day is a tie. Definitely under 100. If you win, if I won even 115, 144, like, I kind of view that as a tie. If I lost 112, it's kind of a tie. Like, we're going for bigger games than that. And if plus or minus 100 is a tie, well, then you don't really worry about that. And no, just the way I think. 4 and 7, grinding. Oh, so that 130 I'm guessing that 130 got snapped up around here-ish. So you see that and you think, that would be a good thing? Like, we bet that earlier just because we saw it. We got lucky. This one we wouldn't have been lucky. We would have lost. But if you're an institution setting up 130 to dupe retailers to think that that's where it's going to go, a little misdirection, well, it's probably something they do. I know, something I'd do if I had $100 million I had to trade with, or $1 billion, or the hell I have. A little misdirection. Oh, here, we're going this way. Yeah, no, psych. I remember, yeah, we sold this because there's no way I've never hold one for 15 minutes waiting for a big monster like this, but
We did talk about reshorting it up here, but it didn't because it got there faster. And it didn't quite get up high enough, but it probably would have matched that. Yeah, pretty close. I don't really feel like I missed out on that one, more just thinking. Yeah, that's probably seems to me when these happen, it's like the end. Oh, I'm tempted to go long. Look here, clear it out, back up. It did come back down, but clear it out again. Cleared out here, went up, cleared out here, went out. So maybe this is the supply zone right in here. Is that how that works? Maybe. Like I said, I don't really get it. But if these... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's a supply zone. I have no clue. So buying here, shorting here, 37 down to, that's, I remember on one of my streams I was trying to trade in a 10-point range. I was like, you can't trade in a 10-point range. And then, 25 to 30 seemed more reasonable. So here, you're coming down to 10-ish. Now you're going up to 35, 40, depending on where you dry your wick. So that's about 25 points that it's been trading through since 10:25ish, 35 minutes. So it can't stay in this little zone forever. So we should be looking for it to break out. And now I'm just thinking, like, do I get on it at the first sign of breakout? Do I watch? I was watching some hedge fund guys last night, and they say the problem with retailers is they wait for confirmation. I don't know if he's just trying to give us bad information to make us to make bad decisions, or if that's true. Oh yeah. Oh, so I did think about going along there. Oh shit, look at that, came right down to there again. Oh dang. That would have been a good one. Fully for sure. I would have sold fully, I never can. Fullies are hard. Now if this stays like a little like doji like that, these kind of intrigue me. I don't know if these are official patterns, but look like helicopter blades. And how much time left? Oh, yeah. So that's kind of it's an interesting pattern to me. I don't think it's a real one. Oh, okay. Now where are you going? You going to go here? And then you're gonna come up to like here, or are you going up to there? Oh, there's something going on here. This is like, remember I drew this? Are we making another one? Making another one? If it doesn't go there, I think we are. 10 seconds. This number gonna hold? You gonna hold? So maybe this is a supply zone because it's not getting, just pushing it up. Okay, nope, it's broken. Alright, so this is the supply zone. Do we want to go long in here? Oh man, I don't know. Tempted to. Cause it's there's just wicks in there. There's no bodies. Well, that's part of it. Let's draw a rectangle, shall we? I ain't drawing no eclipse, I'll tell you that much. Now if I see that stick closing there, lose faith in it. Hell, I don't even know what it is I'm looking at. Now, if it gets pushed out, I might have faith. If it closes in, no faith. Oh. Let's try. Hold on here, I don't like that. I don't know why I didn't like it, I just didn't like it. Oh, nice. I'll trust it down here though.
Order filled.
Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. Get pushed up. This isn't too high. I don't think this is asking too much. Get out of here. Look, there's still no... Oh, that's the first candle inside of there. As soon as... See if that got pushed out. I would have been pretty damn excited. I would have thrown that up as fast as I could have. I don't know why I made this bet, so let's pull it down to 105. Oh no.
Stop filled.
Oh man, whoa! Yeah, what were you saying? What was I saying? Once it breaks out of here, that's what it's gonna go. Ah, fuck. I'm worried about something. I don't even know what the fuck it is. Get the fuck out of here, supply zones. Fuck you. I don't even know if I figured you out. That's a fucking annoying. We had a good thought, and then we got distracted. Rewind the tape about 5 minutes. It was like once it breaks out of the top of here, or the bottom of here, it's gonna run. And I'm fucking around with the... Unbelievable. On green at that. I fucking hate green. Fucking Christ. Four and 8. So dumb. This is where I wanted to short. Where's somebody to like stop me from getting stupid? I said there's a supply zone, something or other. I thought I heard about. I don't know. Got candles. Like fuck off. Amateur hour bullshit. This is that's a one-stop line right there. Oh, look at this. Now look how valid this line is. Look at this. We draw this line right here. Never do this. Oh man, I'm so mad at that trade right now. Today has been the king of well, not good trades, to be honest. Let's be frank here. Forced a few off the dom. Maybe there was one or two in there that you actually liked. The rest were forced. You got lucky on that follow the leader one where you saw a bunch of contracts and went on it. Oh yeah, here we go. There were so many times when I was practice trading that I would have just been on the opposite. So this one, and then I would have gone long up here, then I would have gone long up here, and short up here, and long. And it was just like, I would turn one bad losing trade into 6. So at least we learned to dial back that rage. Because I was still mad there. But I didn't force ill-advised trades after that anger. So I guess we can consider that growth. And now we're
widening our range again. There's 30 down to, you know, it's almost a 40 point. Is this the new range here? Or is this the new range? Tops of here, down to there. Maybe. Like I said, I like drawing my lines. This one's got a candle through it, but and bust through that. I don't know why I feel short right now, but I do.
Order filled. Order filled.
Losing this, and I'm not caring what I feel anymore. There needs to be better reasoning than I'm feeling short. Oh, for Christ's sakes.
Stop filled.
Can we go check out one more thing here? So the winning trades, they go. But my losing trades, they are over quick. See, now winning that 100 is looking not so nice amongst these losses. Down 505. That's a nice number there. Maybe these will be the last ones. I need to learn how to walk away better. I'm good at winning. Because I can leave winning. I'm not good at losing because I don't know when to leave. But it's been an hour plus. How far am I? Okay, I'm down here. So I picked this because higher high, and just plopped it there. And I picked that because it's the top of there. So my theory is it'll kind of bounce in there. I feel. Remember how many times you said in the last few days, when it's I feel, it's not good enough. It needs to be I'd be surprised if this lost. Or this looks like a good bet. I feel, I don't know. Your feels are 0 and 2 lately. The other ones you stopped because you were smart enough not to bet, and they probably would have lost too. Feeling. Well, I'm always feeling short. Got a bias towards red. Well, that's a fucking surprise. I'm feeling short. Yeah, fuck. What are you feeling now? Short. So? You feel it every time. You fucking idiot. Maybe if you feel long, maybe that's different because you never feel long. You only ever feel short. Let's test that. Ask me again in 2 minutes. Don't mind me while I fucking argue with myself. That's who I've become now. That's what this game made me do. Is this a real thing? I don't fucking know. Maybe it's like a magnet. Like pulling. It's like, oh, you got too far away. Come back. And then it's like, oh, you got too far away. Come back. Do they got magnet lines? Is there magnet lines in this game? Well, the way my brain works is everybody knows, like, Oh, here's a doji. We're gonna turn around. Oh, here's an inverted hammer. Oh, here's a fucking engulfing something or other. Here's a this, that, and the other thing. A morning star, and a this, and a that, and an evening star. Everyone knows that. But what don't people know? That's what I focus on, or don't focus on, but try to think about. So, I don't think there's a magnet line. I'm calling this a magnet line. It got too far away, came back. It got too high, came back. This is the magnet. Now it's just sticking on it. Doesn't know which way to go. Now if it gets up here, it could just fly away. Magnets lose power after they get outside of the range, right? Yeah. New thing, magnet lines. Book it. I'm going to make my own stock trading book. Man, I don't know. What am I? I'm short.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come back to the magnet. Hey, there's a magnet line down here. Didn't you hear the new thing? Come back. Come back to the magnet. Now, where's the magnet line? The magnet line is 11. And I am at 12. Alright, come on. Come back to the magnet. Man, I'd love to be right on this one. I could just bet magnet lines. Look, draw a line through here. Magnet line. Oh, wait. Here, magnet line. 15 above, 15 below. Don't break the fucking magnet. Broke it. Fuck you. Okay, yeah, we're having fun now, right? No, we're not. We are not having fun right now. Where is it? Oh, it's way up here. If I see this at like plus 70, I'm going to move that to 0. Let's keep track over here for plus 70. Come on, come back to the magnet. Come on. There's a magnet down here. It's right here. Like, am I supposed to pull this down to like minus 100? Do I give up on it? I said plus 70 and I pull it down to something. I forget what. That was minutes ago now. Like, this doesn't feel good. It's not really a good bet with reason. A fucking magnet line's no fucking reason to make a goddamn actual real money bet. Oh, plus 10. Alright, let's save 25 bucks. We're still in luck. Oh, oh, there's a magnet. Come to the magnet. I said something about plus 70. Oh, it's pretty close there. It's plus 50. And if I could win this, I could say magnet lines. Come on, give me a win, you fucker. See, I don't know if that's a good number. 95, throw in the 5. Oh, I like that. 95, add 5, lose 100 instead of 105 all the time. Come on. Well, this should be a win because the longer ones turn to wins. It's the short ones I lose on. It's been over a minute. Do we go to 155? 155 pays for the 150s that I lost. It wasn't like it was sound reasons for that bet. And we did lose some hundreds we got to make up for. Alright, come down. I'd take like 120, 125. I don't like this anymore.
30. I was gonna drop it and then I didn't. I'm just not feeling this. Oh, come on! I don't want 50. Give me fucking 80. Oh, you're a fucking cunt. Oh my god, I fucking hate you. I hate you so much. Like, what's winning 30 gonna do? It cost me $5 to win it. I don't want to win on my magnet line. Fine, $50. I'm done with this. I don't care.
Order filled.
Fuck you. -5. Get the fuck out of here. You're fucking killing me. Now, if this comes down to here in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna be pretty fucking pissed. I want to make a cappuccino. I'll be back. I don't even want to know. Did I make a brilliant save or a stupid cancel? Fuck you! Really? Fucking would have been a full win. Ah, fuck off. Oh my god. Check my phone for a bit. No, I shouldn't. Let me look. Oh, that's so annoying. So magnet lines are real. Why didn't I could have moved it up to minus like $20 and set it way down here. It could have hit. Or I even just left it and had my fully and been halfway back to. Oh, we're down $500. Wow, we missed a lot there. I left, it was right after that. So the very next candle went down to, I think we were at 12-ish. Yeah, maybe, but one after for sure. Oh man. So like, last time I made 400 on my cappuccino. I feel like this time I lost 400 on my cappuccino. Last time I went to make a cappuccino, I came back all happy and excited when I saw what happened. This one could have been the same if I would have set it up that way. But I didn't. And I'm not shorting up here again because it was too painful last time. And then whatever, you know what else happened with that? Is when I got mad. Remember I had set up 2 bets? I set up a buy down here and a cancel and a short up here. Actually, you want to know what? It might have been. Yeah, I don't know. It was 99. 99. So 99. Yeah, I might have got stopped out there. But when I hit exit this bet, I canceled the one that was down here that I would have forgot about when I left. Most likely. But that might have got stopped out. So probably a good thing I hit that then. Because if I came back to another $150 loss instead of just being even after this, oh fuck, I'd be rage. So this magnet line is literally acting as a magnet. Look. Got it. Nope, come back down here. Oh, wait. Nope, come back down to here. Nope, come back. Come back. Come, stay. Stay. Oh, we tried. No, where's try? Come back. Oh, come back. Come back. This is a legitimate, I just invented a new fucking thing, and they're called magnet lines. February 26th. 2024, 11:30 a.m. You find one person talking about magnet lines before this, phew, let me know. You start hearing about talking about it after, I'm taking credit. How are we gonna get this money back? I want to get to plus $10 today so I can say I didn't lose. And sometimes what happens? Oh, look at that! What the heck's that? Oh, oh, big 126er, eh? Big 126er. Today was a bad day. We started off 1-0 before I turned the camera on. Headed in the right direction. Then 0-6 or 7. Now we're sitting at 4-10. Just like 3 White Horsemen or some shit of how that candle one's called. 3 White Knights, there's like 3 or 4 white knights right there. There's like 7 black crows. There's 3 black crows. And some, oh, that's some black crows there. Now you're getting up. You going back to the line? At some point, the magnet acts as a spring. See? It's a spring magnet. A spring-loaded fucking magnets that attract to a certain distance and after they spring. So where's the spring? What point? Does it come back down? Oh man, that's a risky one. 28. No, guess not. Guess I should have had that one. I wasn't ready though. It's trying to get away from the magnet. But the magnet's strong. I don't know if they measure magnet strength in, but this is a tough one. I drew it. Four and 10. Fuck you. This is a little war right here. I'm tempted to, if this candle ends the body right along even with those two, I'd want to, oh, never mind, didn't have it. Oh, you're getting away from the candle, you're getting away from the magnet line. So turn into a spring soon. Where's the spring number? Well, this is a lot of stuff over here too. Then it was here. Remember we could have had this one and we didn't. But if we left that, we might have had this loss, so that'd be up $25 and wouldn't care, so let it go. Next. Let's see, so look, these two ended at the same point, and these two ended at the same point. And where's this one gonna go? Move it up here. Can somebody count the last 1,000 1-minute candles? Let me know how many were red and how many were green. Oh, we come back to the fucking goddamn magnet line. Are you shitting me? Oh, is this like a triple top, double bottom? Yeah, these ones I need to know. Technically, I should know every freaking pattern like the back of my hand, but see these W's quite a bit. Just gonna have to break out of something somewhere. So magnet line. Resistance. Support. Range of 30-ish, give or take. Breaking out. I know if I go short, it's gonna go fucking boom. I know if I go long, it's gonna go boom. So I can't win on this one. No matter what I do, it's gonna do the opposite. Yeah, at least we got a nice cappuccino. Breville, 870, the classic. What a rotten day. Oh.
Order filled.
Come on. We need this one. Break out. Break out. Oh, so I saw the green. I saw this one close outside of it. I saw the green. Okay. Come on. We need a fully. Give me a fully. That fullies might even get moved down to 155 just for need a win's sake. Okay, let's pull this up a little bit. We gotta go our way. I like pulling it up after it goes our way because, well, I don't know, it just feels like, yeah, 105 is a good number. Like you're ahead of it. It's on your way. Then, you know, pull up your stop loss because, yeah, you don't want to lose ones when they're heading your direction. Come on, we need a fully push. Push. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come on. I need you up here. All your friends are up here. You suck. Do I have to quit if I lose this one? Maybe. We're on the brink. I fought back from 1,000 down and 800 down, but I just don't feel like I have that in me today. So I'm in pain right now. I want to pull this down to ease the pain. But we did that. We made that mistake once already. If it would have saved us, I'd be more apt to doing it this time. Oh, there we go. Come on, 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 come on.
Order filled.
Fully. Fuck, we needed that. That was good. We did good to hold that. Fought past the point of whatever. What are we? 5 and 10. Come on, you know. Okay, let's go win 3 in a row. Ready? Let's go. Let's fucking do this. See, winning gets me fired up. So when I lose, like I'm ready to go home. Well, job's not done yet. We gotta turn this into plus territory. 7-day winning streak. On our way to getting funded. First try ever. Let's fucking do this. What do you got, Nasdaq? You ain't got shit. You're nothing. Now look, is this... We want a short up here? Fucking A right we do. Let's fucking
Order
go.
filled.
Nah, this might be the one that pushes through, but... Give me the lead and we can mitigate the stop losses. Come on. Come on down. This is a... Why do I always get in the way of shit like that? I don't need a fully here. Oh, maybe I do. Where are we? 35. Oh shit, we moved that. 100? 125. So we got some lesser losses, so we just booked a win. Booking more wins is key to the operation right now. Push it down, 125. I'd take 105 on this one because we got some 105s we got to make up for. But we got some 150s we got to make up for too. You know what? We just learned, don't be a chicken shit, right? 155, pay some bills. Pull that down a little bit. We're gonna make it fully there. What's our loss now? 80. Yeah, because we're in the lead. Alright. Now, is this a new magnet line? Maybe. Waiting for a fully? Is that too greedy? Probably not. That's why you make bets for fullies. Oh, what about this big stick? Come on. Come on. We're right there. Right there. This is the one I just want the money right now. No, 155.
Order filled.
We're taking it. 135. That's fine. Getting back. 6 and 10. Let's just check this just to see. See, look. We won 135, but you know, we lost 1. We lost 1-0. We lost 1. We lost 1. We lost 125. So that's 6 losses under that. We got some fullies paying back for this. So that was more than a fully. More importantly, average win 160, average loss 110. So we can do that. And it's fighting. So we're glad we're off it right now. Now, I was just the other day saying when it comes back to a line fast, that's when it has a chance to break through. So we're not going to short this. But if it closes up past here, this, what are we at? 18. So it probably wants to get to 50. See, if this is like 10 minutes later, I'd short this. But this is literally, you know, fucking 2 minutes later. It's like right back up to here again. 150, 135. So fucking 2 wins there. 1 on the up, 1 on the down. That's nice. We should have bought that on the up. Let's do it down here then. We should have done that. Right here. We should have just been ready to fucking sell it, buy it back. Oh man. This is where, what did I say? I said something about breaking out, didn't I? Okay, don't jump the gun here. Oh, it was because it got so fast. Because it came here so fast, I was thinking, oh, it might break out. Let's get rid of that. So we're down about 220-ish, roughly. Yeah, I'm not seeing any fucking accordions in here today. It's more just battles. Accordions are like they push up and then they come back down halfway. That's what I think of when I see it. But this is just like battles, 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 slow grinds, battles, battles. Or just pushes. I'm not seeing any accordions. Well, few accordions. Watch, let's see if we see an accordion here. Let's tell you what I mean. That's just battles, battles, battles. Battles obviously move, right? But it's the accordions just like sweep out 8 ticks worth, 10 ticks worth. And maybe it swings back up 6 ticks after it takes out 12 ticks. Battles, battles, battles. We're going to try this again tomorrow. Yeah, this isn't the... Yeah, this is day 7 of my evaluation, like I've said a million times, so I'm going to solve this riddle. Work hard, gonna trade every day. I'm gonna rewatch my trading, try and learn from it. So I better get talking to myself more than I'm talking to you. I get like 20 or 30 views a video. Who the hell am I talking to? Hell, half of you probably know me for all I know. Yeah, I've seen 0 accordions since I've been staring at this for the last 2 minutes. Now, what do we got going on here? Alright, so we got... Oh, there's the push through. I think I tried to buy a green there, didn't I? I canceled it, doesn't matter. Because it's breaking out. Look, this is a decent little run. It's funny, you just see things so differently, and you're like, you know, you look at it this way, okay, but then you look at it this way, just from here, and you're like, holy shit! Since 1993 or 93, it hasn't been, you know, the low. You know, you bought here, just went up, then it touched here. That's 10 points higher. It kept on going. You know, we're essentially on a 50-point unabated run. 50 points, 4 ticks a point. 200 ticks, $5 a tick, $1,000. I think the most I made on like a $5 trade or a $5 point tick on my valuation was $400. If I was watching this, just let's pretend I did this, and then it came up to here, but then it came down to here, I'd be like, oh no, give me, I want this back. And then you set it here and you take it, and then, you know, you're never satisfied. It's impossible to sell the top, buy the bottom, and all that shit. So we did a good job selling this one, though. I don't think it made it to our fully point. So we did a good job on that one. And we did a pretty good job on this one too. You know, there's not much room up there. It was a good thing we didn't get greedy on either one of these. It's too bad we didn't just let this one run. Chicken shit. That was a 2-second fucking whack. More losses. This was really nice. This was a win up, a win down, and a third win down. So we're up 150, we're up 185, we're up 100. Yeah, that's like freaking almost $400. 150. 330, 340, 440. Yeah, that's a big one. This was nice. This was bad, and that was fucking piss poor timing. That was a I feel. That was impatient. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. You just couldn't deal with it anymore. 5 minutes is my limit. And then this was pretty nice. And now we're sitting down 6 and 10. Oh god, lucky to only be down $200. And we're only down 200 at 6 and 10, 214, because we are taking 160 and losing 110. Keeping this under wraps. Yep. Oh, the good old days. And you started 1-0, and you lost 7 in a row. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. Yuck. This is like a little bull market here, a little bull time frame. Let's just sit silently and ignore each other and watch. So this is like a double. Is this a double bottom? Is this a triple top? Well, new formation. The wicked W. Is W a candlestick pattern? This looks like a W to me. Don't forget the magnet lines. Where's the magnet line here? There's no magnet line here. Ooh. It's pushing. Like I said, I wanted to get to 1850. And I got there. It just took some time.
I think we tried this. I think I set up a buy in here around 43ish, but I think I canceled it. Oh, is that the 55? Okay, you're right there. Now, one of my major issues is, I think everyone does this from what I've seen, is they want to get in front of buzzsaws. And the buzzsaw is, this is going up. Well, I'm going to time the grill, I'm going to time the short. No, you aren't. You're not. And even, you know, here it's like, oh, retracement, battles, whatever, consolidation, whatever that is. Well, it kept on going. Then it's like a few minutes of fighting, kept on going. Oh, maybe that's it. Nope, faked you out. So, you're not going short. You are not going short. The only option right now is green. Whoa, we're making good rules. I should write that down. No get in front of freaking buzzsaws. Sometimes you only have one option. That was a note for me. But if I drew a line here, this is, to me, this is just way too steep, way too narrow. Narrow, steep channels don't survive. So there will be you'll be able to bet red soon, but not for a while. So if the only option is bet green, does that mean I should bet green? It kind of does, doesn't it? If you can't bet red, like there's no option. You do not bet red right now. Then by default, does that mean bet green? Think about this. Write down your answer. Take some notes. This is so steep. That's just going up. Has it been this high? Oh, there's a. You know, sometimes I think this is like you just got to keep these opening moves in mind, because you know it did this, and what do we got here? 1800 up 50 points in 5 minutes. Not even. Oh, maybe. You know what I'm saying. You see it. So, but then you know it goes down. And it fights, and it battles, and eventually it got back to that point. It always seems to get back to that point. Let's see here. We've been drawing short things, and then, you know, I forget this every time. Every day I pull out. Every day I'm pulling out, and realizing, like, hey, no, that's good. This is some points here. I can pull down. I like some wicks to touch the tip. Just the tip, please, ma'am. Yeah, so this is like, I think that's the wick touching that. Little candle through there. Perfect. I kind of like that, yeah. If you drew a big one out there. Yeah, this was a nothing. Or was it? Or is this the, like, you know, sometimes I seem to, you draw some lines out, and all of a sudden, you know what, it's like, oh, you don't pay attention, right? But this could come up to here, then all of a sudden later on, you're like, oh yeah, well, that makes perfect sense, and it's a 3-point touch. Now the problem is no matter where it goes on that line, you can go like this, right? Well, maybe you draw it down to there. And so you leave it there, but then it goes up through it, and then you readjust it, and you're like, oh, if I drew it off the tops, now it hits it perfect. So this could come into play later on today. But it's going to come into play. You know, let's give it some time. Let's extend this line out. And when it gets there, it's going to be, you know, say it's down here. Like if it went up there right now, it might come up to here. But if it goes there in a couple hours, well, now it's over here. This line comes into play. least that's how I think about it. Now 55. So that was the peakish there. Pull back down a bit. So we drew the, so we like that in the early morning. We hit that, then we went boom, hit the bed completely. 7 of these. Take out those 7, and we're 6 and 3. It's always a way to spin it. If I didn't lose 7 in a row, I'd be up. Yeah, but you did lose 7 in a row, so. That's not bad either. You know, sometimes I should keep it like that. Because we were zoomed in so close, we were missing all that. But then you can't see the candles as well. But it's nice to have the full day's frame of reference. The little battle zones. You know, here, this is a battle zone. We didn't. What? There's no line off here. Got our magnet line. We got some tops here, some bottoms there. We got our W. We got some monsters. This all looks like monsters to me. This is all fucking monsters. Got a straight run up. Now finally we got the pullback. So this was so steep that you'd expect. So now red is in play. So it's a good thing you avoided, because you're trying to talk yourself into a red in here, or a green. And you might have hit the top. And this definitely would hit the stop loss if you got in it. Anything above 54 or 5. 7.5 points down. That's 54-ish. So is this coming down? Probably at least 15 points, because it's got to go, you know, we like those 20 to 30 point ranges, so this is probably going to come down to, oh, maybe somewhere down here-ish. Nope, how about there? Yeah. Come down to there. This is kind of, you know, I feel so much better right about now myself if I was winning today. I'd feel pretty confident about going long off this line. We might as well pretend we're feeling confident and do it anyways. Now, that's only a 20 point range. I don't like expecting 20 point ranges. Let's see where this goes. What time do we start today? 10-ish maybe? Oh, there it is. Where's the floor? Where do you want to get in? We were right there and we canceled it. Are we smart?
Order filled.
You fucking cunt. We literally pushed that about a half a second too soon. I don't know if you saw that over here, but it was down $50. By the time the 0 showed up, it was down 50. We were like just half a second too soon on that.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Wow, I love red. Oh my god. Look at that. 46, 25 points, $500. I wouldn't have timed it there, but oh man. We're just grinding today. 6 and 11. We're just not on the right side of it. Yeah, at least we only lost one in that. Terrible timing. I can't believe it. Just
Yeah, right. I guess, make up stories, right? This rose up really fast, or not really fast, really steep. Really steep, grinding, and then the rug gets pulled out at the top. Yeah, we're going along.
Order filled. Order filled.
It seems to me that when you get two huge steep ones like this, then you're going to get... Well, either it's going to keep going down and I'm going to be annoyed, because I love red. Or this green. It was green when I made the bet. That's when I made it. It was 30 seconds old when I did it. Was because it seems then you'll get two you get like greens that just equal this, like right after it happens. It seems like, here's two red candles, everybody jumps on red, and then no, it's going up green like this, and here's some, and then bang, it's right back.
Stop filled.
0 and 3 again.
Stop filled.
Or 0 and 2, whatever the fuck it was. Was I just too early? Yeah. In 2 candles from now, it's going to be up here again. That's what I was trying to capture. It's like, okay, 2 big reds. Don't be afraid, even though you hate green. Down 500 and change. We might be booking our first losing day here, fellas and folks and ladies and gents. Yeah, watch this. Here you go. This is it. 2 big greens equal all this. That's what I was trying to capture. I got on it too early. I didn't get the bottom of that candle. If I would have been a little diligent and waited for the bottom of this one, I'd still be alive. You'd be in around 22. Add 9, you'd be getting close to getting... You might not have got matched at 22 yet. You might still be alive. Trying to get your fully, or cashing it in. Yeah, once it's there, yeah, you would have been... Write this down. When you're chasing this for the reversal, don't buy in any point on that candle. Be diligent. Get the bottom. Make them come all the way down. Still there. Still good. Can't go below minus 3,000. Oh man, we had it to there. That seems to be like our... Get this... If I can get to minus 2, if I can win my next bet, I don't know. I don't want to say things I'm not going to do just yet, but we're getting close to packing this up. Why am I married to fucking greens all of a sudden? Jesus Christ, I freaking hate green. I just saw it bouncing off this line. Figure that turned into support. That's what I tried that one. Pushing it. Where's the freaking accordions? God damn it. I'm trying. So from here, 9 points is 37.5 minus a quarter. We need 37.25 if this gets matched. Yeah, there's no accordions in this today. I just like sweep down, like just sweep down 10 and go up 6. Why aren't you doing that? If anybody's watching this, watch tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you when I see accordions. I saw a couple earlier, but there's no like I said, it's like a wave. You just feel it. You watch it. You feel it comes down like a wave. It goes up a little bit. Maybe it swoops back down again. Maybe it swoops back up, but it goes up 10, down 6, up 8, down 4. It's like this sweeping, clearing everything out, getting pushed back down. I'm just not seeing it. Like that was a half of accordion. I kind of ran up like 5 there, like. And it's fast. That was kind of slow, like yeah. This day's bugging me. Yeah, we missed that. What did we try to get down here? 28. Oh yeah, that's way up there. Yeah, 35. So we would have got that if we tried to get matched that. I think it was a little late. I think it was after I saw it hit 28. I tried to get 28. Like you said, the retailers wait for confirmation. The big wigs just buy the numbers. I wanted to see it come down and dance on that line and go up. You've already lost. This is a tough game. And coming back down. Where's it going back down to? Well, it could come down to here, could come down to there, could go right to where it is and back up. You gonna try and buy 28 again? No, probably not. Why not? Nah, I don't know. You gonna buy 28 again? Don't mind me, I'm just talking to myself here. Not really. Okay. You want a short? I don't know. I guess those are the answers. You're not in the zone. Nope, probably not. How are you going to get your money back? No idea. Time to go yet? Fighting. I'm fighting. I think if you are going to be a successful trader, you probably need 2 people. So if you don't have a real person, you might as well just be those 2 people. So I guess you gotta have like split personality to be a good trader, maybe. The ramblings of a rookie trader trying to figure out this demon market. Guess you could have got down here. Well, I guess I could have. Got another chance. Fuck. Fine. Oh, you're such a bitch. I finally talked myself into it. Let's see, 28, 8 3/4, 36.75. I could have had it all the way down to there. Chose not to. 36.75 would have been a full win. Oh yeah, right there. Fucking hell. And this is where you get impatient and you drop it down and you take 155. Oh man. So you gave up on that one. Let's see if it gets there. I don't know if we get past this number yet. I would have moved it off though, just for the record. If I was still sitting here right now, I would have taken this money 25 seconds ago. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Now what? Is this the... I fucking had that one. And you want to know what? This is a good line because it's back here. And this all happened. Oh, too bad you lost that. Well, you tried to bet the line, you fucking lost one, and then you gave up on this one. Probably didn't even think about it because you're still mad. Then you had this opportunity. Oh no, I tried to get in here. I was late though. And then this one I tried to talk myself into. Oh, maybe the big dogs are on lunch. There we got these tight little trading ranges when the big dogs are on lunch. Look at this come back down. Yeah, I don't want to push that. Sell up here. Alright. I wouldn't have got matched anyways. You're about 43-ish. Yeah, push it up here. So it's close. Do I want it now? I'm not feeling too confident right now. Oh, 4 C's. Remember those? Composure, confidence, commitment, concentration. So you're lacking composure has been kind of weak. Confidence, low. Commitment, that's high. What's the other one? Commitment, composure, confidence. Oh, concentration. Yeah, we're pretty concentrated. So, what's this line? Oh, that peak there. You know, that's kind of makes that one make sense, right? And you had it. You had these first. You drew these out. Pretty sure. So now it's over here. Fuck it. Let's get in the fucking game. Oh, right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't think that. Looking at that now, like, why? It's supposed to come back down to here. Oh, because it was over here for a fucking doji, for fuck's sakes. Doji's a turnaround. I don't like this bet now. Give me 105. And if I get the lead, I'll pull out and move this up. Maybe. Let's do it this way. 110. Let's go 105. Oh wait, no, let's go 95. I don't like that. 95, so I'm gonna lose 100 after the fees. Coming up here.
Yeah, let's go fucking get to the top of this bitch. I don't need the extra 10, just make it a fully. Come on. Oh, we're gonna do magnet line right here, I think. Magnet lines. That's not an unreasonable expectation. It's 9 points for fuck's sake. 8 3/4. It's not even a full 9. Oh, now we're on the. Oh. Now, if I'm being a man, do I pull this like outside of that line? Well, I could go down here. If I put this down to here, how much am I gonna lose at 22? I don't want to lose $300. 305, 315. Like, not at all. Especially on 5 things. Especially when only going for $1.75. You can't try and lose 300 to win 175 in the long run. Oh, there's shit. There we go. Okay, if this turns to like plus 50, I would take it just because of the way it's going. Is that smart? I don't know. Let's watch this. Oh, you got a nice little push there with minimal contract. If you get through there with this, I would feel good. Come on, keep pushing. Do we go for 105 again? We'll see how it gets there. It's thin. I bet right here because they're like, it peaked out, it closed above, there's another above. Is that enough? I don't know. Where are you at? Yeah. Alright, we're still hanging out fully range. We're still at fully range. Time check. 12:19. Come on up here. All your friends are up here. Come on. No. Let's go. Yep. Come on. Here. Oh, I know what I was doing on Friday. It seemed to help. Let's watch. Draw a line. Up to there. And now you give it like a little bridge. I can climb that. And get to where we need it to go. Right? I'm pretty sure that's how it works. This is like scientifically proven techniques here. Come on. Hey. Got help.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Go green. Oh, we already lost. Down 600. 6 and 13. Bad reasons or bad day? Or opposite day? I don't know. I don't think that was a good reason. We forced all those Dom trades earlier. Due for a losing day, I guess. 6 and 13. Alright, if I can win two trades, if I lose the next trade, I'm done. If I win the next trade, I'll try to win 2, and then we'll reevaluate. So we should have moved that down. If we kept that, it didn't get matched, by the way, because mine wasn't down here. So did we save 55 bucks, or did we cost ourselves? We already know the answer. It's gonna go up here, and you cost yourself. Watch. Yeah, so 9 points up there is 46. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, we're getting plus right now. Barely in the plus. Oh yeah, 600. 628. Oh, fuck.
finally turned things around here. So 1 and 7. Come on, Jesus. 1, 7. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 1 and 7. Finally put together 3 wins. 0, 2 and 1, 2 and 0, 0 and 3. 6, 13. Disgusting. Yeah, so this is just alright, clearly we're on fucking lunch. Fucking big boys are out. This is look at these ranges. This is like trading in a 3-point range. Oh, is this your what do we got to the win here? Yep, here we go. Get it up to 46, 47. Could have had her fully, but no, we moved up the stop loss because we had the lead, and it's going to cost us, just like I fucking said. Instead of minus 100, it'd be plus 175. $275 swing. And let's be honest, so I'm watching this right now. Maybe I'm getting impatient. Maybe I move it to 155. Whatever. Blast through right there. Doesn't matter anymore. We're going to win. We got... Well, we saw the plus, and I moved up my stop loss. That's kind of what I do, and that one didn't work out. Tough day at the office. 5 minutes early. Just a little bit of patience. Leave that where it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes later, it finally starts making its move. Then you start moving it up. Whatever, 37, call it 38 for easy math. It's up 15 points, 60 ticks, it's up 300 right now. It's funny, when it's back here and it's moving like lightning, I complain that it's moving too fast, and then when it's moving like this, it's too slow. I'll peek up here. Is that the high for the day? Yeah, that is. I predicted it off the top there. Too early to the party, too early, cancel this, jumping on this too soon. This was actually really nice. Too impatient, fucking full win, bad timing. Fuck. This was really nice. Hit that for a win, hit that down for a win, added that, maxed it out. Really nice. That's half my day's wins right there. That's 3 wins. And I won the first bet. So take out this and the first bet, and we are 2 and 13. And this was 2 wins. That's all my wins? 1 win early, 3 wins here, 2 wins there. That's 6. Everything else, utter fucking disaster. Now what? Short there. Why? I don't fucking know. That's not a good reason. I know. Lose this and you're out. Fine. Ah, fuck off. That was right there. That was 2 points away and I chickened out. 2 ticks away. So I don't think it would have got matched anyways. It'll probably be a win though because you canceled it. And you could pretend it would have got matched and then you get mad about it. It's one thing I try not to be. I like to play out scenarios, but I try not to be delusional about those scenarios. So I canceled that, but it wouldn't have got matched anyways. Yeah, I was 2 ticks away, and I was right there, and I watched it, and I canceled it, and it went down. So I don't have this one. I can't get mad about it. I can't pretend I woulda. But I can pretend that I shouldn't have moved that up. And I can say if I did have that, and I waited a couple more minutes, and it got up to here, well then I could have moved it to there. And then I could have moved that up, because I've been doing that. I don't think I would have caught all this, but maybe I would have caught, you know, at least a fully, or maybe a little more, if I pulled that up, and it went fast enough. Seems to be the speed is my main issue. I don't think that went down anyways. I was trying to get it there. Did you get that?
Order filled.
Why? No idea. Because of pullback and it's been going higher. Now you need it to get back to there. Is it going to happen? Not fast enough. Oh man, if we lose this, we're done. Again, I don't want to lose 150. I want to lose 100. I want it to get up to here, get up to 70, 80. Let me move it up. Then it comes down, sweep me out. I can bitch and moan and complain. Say shoulda, woulda, coulda, didn't. Cry, cry, cry. Bitch, bitch, bitch. Moan, moan, moan. That's not getting me anywhere. No, I'm going to pull this down. Oh, see, I can't see that right now. Yeah, I'm trying to get to like there. 57. And a little too low. Like that 55. As you know, I got bills to pay. And 57 is right at the tops of those candles. Right there. Below the wick, into the, that's the peak of the body. 135 is fine. I'm just going for little gains here. There's not much going on right now. It's quiet time. We need some wins. I'm tempted to take 105. Equal off those 105s we lost earlier. And this this is the all-time high for the day, so oh, you don't want to fuck with that really. 105 matches some, we're still gonna match some losses. We only got 6 wins. For Christ's sakes, just give me the 105, please, and thank you. And then fly through there and let me bitch and moan and complain like I have been all day.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Alright. Now if this goes flying through here, I will, but I'm not going to really complain about, because I don't want to have to set up all-time highs for the day. Like, that's what that yellow line is. That's the peak for the day. So that's why I moved it down to there. It got there. Maybe I should have let it get there, but we're so damn fucking cold. We're just trying to get anything we can. So yeah, that could have been a fully. It cost ourselves $70. How many fullies have we cost ourselves? I think we saved one, to be honest with you. Got a little extra there. I got extra there, so that is what it is. Yeah, see, look, now we're even on those two after the fees. Lose 100, 100. Those are square. Those are close to square. These cover that. Alright, we're grinding. Down $500 or so. 7 and 13. Oh, see, now we're losing focus, losing concentration. I'm off fucking tallying scores when shorting that high. Write this down. Shorting the high is a good idea. Especially when you ran that up. We could draw a line right here, and once it breaks through there, it's kind of like, well, that's over. I wish it was faster. I'd like to set a sell down here, but if I click that, it's going to sell it there. I'm motivated now just to try and get back to even today. Like, that would feel like a win again. Get behind the 8 ball, keep scratching, keep clawing, keep fighting. Yeah, so 59. Let's say what? Yeah, say 58. Down 8 3/4 points is above 49, and well, there it is. Yeah, so if we would have shorted at 49, that would have been a fully. I don't know. Fuck you. Come on. I don't want to go down here. I don't want to be 3 points off. I'm only trying to get 9. I should move this to 36 so I can say 9 points even instead of 8.75 every time. That's fucking annoying. We tried. 9 points off that's 39. And you can add a quarter. 39 and a quarter. There's a win. Yep, 39 and a quarter. I can do math. I want to cancel this now. It's taking too long. I wanted it when I wanted it, not now. That's part of the... Yeah, fuck you. Fuck you, you fucking whore. That was a widely available number back here. Right? Said I'm fucking $1 short and 30 seconds late. So that hit 39 and a quarter. No, not yet. No, not yet. So just, do you trust this still? Maybe. $37. That's a 22 point. I could probably come down a little bit lower if it gets through there. 30. There we go. 25 point ranges. All right, swoop down, pick me up, and take me up top. Oh, look, I don't like this. Is if this gets matched, that's my winning number. It's barely even a third of that range. We're just missing. We're just missing. We're off by 5 points there, 4.5. Here we're off by a couple. I don't know if it came down and would have won or not. I forget what number I was trying to buy in here. It doesn't look like it would have. But tempted to double. Yeah, 7-13. Good time to double your bets when you can't win a bet to save your life. That's always the best time to double. Everyone knows that. Hell, why don't you triple it? Good idea. Don't mind me while I speak sarcasm to myself. I don't know if this is fun or who's watching this or how long you watch it for, but feel free to leave constructive criticism. Don't be a fucking dick. You can be like, hey dude, that's actually kind of funny. I don't mind listening. Or you can be like, stop asking yourself so many questions, you lunatic. To you, I would say, this is for me. I'm trying to learn from myself. And that's the way we're doing it right now. 5 videos into my YouTube career. Right now, I'm a talking to himself guy. You know, 2 fullies right now would feel pretty damn good. So, how confident are you of this number now? Not much. You leaving it? Fuck me. I guess. So you moved it below that line. You could have had the line. Oh, you're right there. You're a point away. Oh, fuck off. Fuck you. I moved that up.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in. Let's fucking go. Move those up. 2. Yeah. What's wrong with expecting that? How much? 215. Not unreasonable. Come on, fight. There's a line here. Get up over it. Where's time? 20 seconds. Get up over it. Let's see this one green. Watch it up here. Come on, turn green. Yeah, here's your little hand. Where's your little bridge? Here's your bridge. Here's your bridge. Here you go. Come on, turn green. 3, 2, 1, green. Fuck. Green. Alright. Green. Yep. Push. 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 And our stop loss. So this is the one that we moved up to, and it got hit. So this one, where did we buy this one at? I can't get on it. 37. Here we bought at 37. Oh, you gonna let this run up to here without unabated? Yeah, right. You're gonna see 105, you're gonna drop it. You're gonna see 135, you're gonna drop it. You're gonna see 175, you're like, just give me the pulley. So I need to get there fast. Oh, come on, really? Are we quitting if we lose this bet? Maybe. Can you be fired up if you win this bet? Fucking A right. Because we need, like I said, 2 wins in a row. Come on. Let's go. So here's your bridge. You lost your bridge. Get you to where you gotta go. There you go. Get pushing. Let's see a push. Push in. Let's push. Push. Push it up to here. Push it up to there. Up to here. Just blast through that shit. You want you want to get back up to here. The least you can do is get to the halfway point. Right? Like get to the halfway, turn around, and then come crashing through this line. How about that? Yeah. Make this a little steeper for you. Can you do that? Just run it up to there. Halfway point. and then do what you want to do. Go back up there, come crashing down here. I don't fucking care. Just get there. Get there fast. Alright. Like I said, I'm going to pull this down to a fully. We're going to hang out up here. Let's see how it moves. Okay, I'm going to put this up. Oh, fuck. Just run the fucking fully. Fuck off. Part of me wants to like pull it up here, and then when I see it cross fully, drop it, and maybe I can pick up an extra 10, 20, 30 bucks. I'm gonna do that. I don't want to lose 150s anymore. Yeah, this cost us last time. Alright, so at least you're below. This is the one that took us out last time. You're below that. Oh, you suck. This is over. Fuck you. I'm shorting this once that gets out, and if I lose that, it's really done. If I lose this twice, I'm gonna be fucking furious. If this gets hit and I short this, and that loses too, I'll be slamming this fucking computer down. Alright. Okay, we're out of, I feel like I'm out of harm's way right now. Now it's time. 12. Turn green. Turn green. Turn green. Fight. Fight, 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 fight. Fuck, green. Where's, like, why is this moving so painfully fucking slow? Holy fuck, you're fucking killing me. Jesus fuck. Get up, I'm done. Give me 20 bucks and I'm fucking done with this. Zero patience with this fucking trash right now. Oh yeah, here you go, take me out. Yeah, you can move up. You can move down, but you can't move up. Fucking, and I hate fucking green. How many fucking green bets have I made? Green, lose. Green win. Green, lose. Fucking hate
Stop
green.
field. Stop field.
Fuck you. Did I hit that?
Order filled. Order filled.
Yes, I did. 2 positions. I hit it twice. This is shit I used to do on fucking... Yeah, no, we're done. Get off this bet. Give me 120 bucks, we're done. You're done. You're done. Just don't, please don't lose 300. Just give me 60. Fuck you. Take your medicine. You're fucking done.
Stop field.
That's what you get for doing that stupid fucking shit. This is over. Final day. Booked my first loss. -730. Goodbye.